POPPRI Fashion Auctions promotes a sustainable fashion business model where globally unsold fashion goods are being reborn, repaired, resold, and reused. POPPRI extends product lifecycle and reconnects online shoppers to over 5,000 global brands via online auctions. Unsold inventory, excess stock, returned goods and overproduction, what's commonly called as fashion waste, can't be incinerated or dumped into a landfill. Society is expecting more sustainable solutions to that problem, and POPPRI Fashion Auctions is providing one. REBORN Fashion Roadmap starts with delivery of globally unsold goods to POPPRI Warehouse. New lifecycle begins by issuing a new passport to each garment, identifying its uniqueness. POPPRI Quality Assurance system sets the standard for new garments, faulty pieces, and ones with missing tags, aiming to keep and preserve the original stage of each piece. Accurate measurement is an important element in the whole product description process when it comes to a major question: does this garment fit me? Is it a right size? Captured reality of the garment builds a trust between POPPRI and online shopper. At the same time, an emotion and excitement is created about newly reborn piece. Continuing further on at this stage, using precise, accurate and transparent garment description, a garment passport is complete. Once quality assurance processes are 100% complete, the garment is ready to be listed online. POPPRI is a sustainable gate to those reborn goods and online shoppers. Published listing at POPPRI Fashion Auctions is a garment's final destination. The winner is the one who bids the highest price. So your wish, your price. Auction is closed along with our love and care. Garment is shipped to a winner's destination worldwide. We connect online shoppers all over the world to 5,000 global brands at a price of their choice. POPPRI Fashion Auctions allows to reuse these goods and extend product lifecycle. We encourage already made products to keep in a society for as long as possible.